will there be an Apple TV? The company has released many hit products, from phones to computers, but there's one product they never seem to tackle. Entering the industry just won't make any sense. Apple's loyal fan base always rushes to buy the newest product, but when it comes to TVs, people just don't seem to change quick enough. The public would rather just wait for their TV to break, or buy one if there's a major upgrade in television technology, like switching from plasma to LED. With such consumer demand on the market, sales will drop, unless Apple finds new consumers each year, which is expensive and ineffective. So the only way for an Apple TV to be viable is by hardware innovation. The company sources out their manufacturing to other companies like Samsung or LG, but they already have a strong stance in the television market. So without any way to physically differentiate from them, the only way for Apple to join the stage is with unique software. A couple of $1,000s for a regular TV with some fancy software is just too much. So Apple has already found the next best thing. For just $150 to $200, you can buy their TV box. Everybody already owns a TV anyway, so grabbing control of its software and remote is the only logical step for increasing profits. That's why there will never be an Apple Smart TV. The company's found a way to provide something better. Now, take a look at this video. It will simply blow your mind. Click right here.